We excel in speaking Japanese. We excel in speaking Japanese. He excels in mathematics. He excels in mathematics. He excels in many sports. He excels in many sports. She excels at swimming. She excels at swimming. No one excels him in English. No one excels him in English. She excels them all at swimming. She excels them all at swimming. He excels all his brothers in scholastic ability. He excels all his brothers in scholastic ability. And he has excelled on both levels. And he has excelled on both levels. What character traits have helped you excel? What character traits have helped you excel? The activities create a desire to excel. The activities create a desire to excel. Some schools excel at making online learning a smooth experience. Some schools excel at making online learning a smooth experience.